The elephant hawkmoth is a striking insect with uniquely flamboyant coloration, but it also has some unique adaptations that aren't so obvious. So let's take a closer look at what makes this species so fascinating. Insects see the world completely different from us. Their eyes are made up of thousands of tiny lenses called ommatidia and are specially adapted to their way of life. This species' eyes are especially impressive due to their ability to see colour in almost complete darkness. The elephant hawkmoth was the first animal species in which this was observed, and it is an essential part of their foraging strategy. Elephant hawkmoths fly at night, searching for flowers to drink nectar from. They locate flowers with their night vision, using just the light of the stars, as well as their sensitive antennae to pick up a flower's scent. They then hover next to the plant as they drink nectar from the flower. This requires extremely precise movements, and without their incredible vision, would be impossible. Moths are covered in tiny scales. These scales have a number of purposes. They're individually coloured to create the overall pattern seen on the body and the wings, and these patterns are often used as camouflage or a signal to tell predators that the moth is poisonous. In hawk moths, the scales also help to insulate their large flight muscles to keep them warm and ready for flight. Hawk moths are some of the most capable flying insects, and their large, powerful wings allow them to fly at speed over long distances, as well as to hover precisely. Another surprising function of moth scales and hairs is that they can partially absorb incoming bat echolocation, which means that they can avoid being seen by these expert flying predators. Hawk moths are also able to create sounds similar to echolocation to confuse incoming bats. Like many species of moth, elephant hawk moths are important pollinators of the plants that they visit. Different plants attract different pollinators, and moths can be very important for certain species of plant. Some have even evolved scents that they produce just at night to attract moths. The elephant hawk moth is one of the most easily identifiable species of moth and a common sight in the UK from May to July, so make sure you keep an eye out for this incredible species.